7-8 years. But this is for the interest of audience. This is actually a combination of two antihypertensive medicine, which is sacubitril and valsartan, which is the angiotensin receptor napilacid inhibitor. This has shown to improve LV ejection fraction in many trials. The one apprehension which is always there in the mind of most of the patients of heart failure will have reduced blood pressure. So whenever you start at 100 systolic blood pressure by 70 or something like 110, you have to be cautious. I think what Dr. Agarwal has said very rightly, start with low dosage. When it was introduced earlier with Novartis company, they were very much sure that they wanted to start at 100 milligram twice a day, which was not possible, and there was no tablet available at 50, and we had to break it, and we were doing against the science. Now the new trials have actually shown that even the good results will come. It's an improvement in ejection fraction, reduction in the symptoms, reduction in the mortality, which is very important, even with a lower dosage. So I think one should always, this is a class 1 indication of heart failure, always, unless it is contraindicated, which is frank CKD or hyperkalemia, you should use, if you are already using ACE inhibitors or ARBs, you can switch from those places. There are some guidelines. When you are switching from ACE inhibitor, for example, somebody on cardiac or something, enalapril, you have to switch, you have to give 2 days gap, while if the patient is already on ARB, you don't have to do any gap, you can directly switch from ARB to ARNI. So don't use ACE inhibitors or ARB, use ARNI in all the patients of heart failure class 1 indication.